It is just awful to find yourself unable to sleep and feeling frustrated about it. When you can't sleep, the effect on your body can be serious. We all know how sleep deprivation can reduce your immunity and leave you feeling vulnerable. If it's overthinking or stress or anxiety that's getting in the way of your sleep, I have a great essential oil remedy for you. One true benefit of using essential oils to support your sleep is that you don't feel any exhaustion or side effects in the morning like you might with some sleep drugs. Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and I have this wonderful bath salt. It's called Drift to Sleep, and I want to teach you how to make it. I use it all the time. I love it. I'm using pink Himalayan salts, although you're welcome to use any salt that you like. And I have my salts in a 1 ounce glass jar. So this is going to be one bath, although again, you're welcome to use more salt if you like, but this is a really nice recipe. I'm going to put Castile soap and essential oils into the salt, and that's really nice for two reasons. One, the Castile soap will bring a little bit of soap into your bath. Two, the essential oils will get absorbed by the Castile soap, and then that mixes really well into the bath salt to totally protect your skin. So I'm holding this measuring spoon. It's a nice one because it's a nesting spoon and it balances perfectly on the counter. So I can just go ahead and pour my Castile soap right into it, right? So I'm gonna lift it up just to show you, but I'm gonna pour my Castile soap in here. And then I'm going to add my essential oils, and it's nice because it's stable. Of course, you could do this in a little bowl too, it would be completely fine. Now I'm gonna use 4 drops of frankincense. And I don't know about you, but I just love frankincense. It's one of my favorite essential oils. It's so deeply calming. It helps open your breath. It's very good for helping you breathe more clearly and also for sleep, of course. So I'm just going to drop 4 drops right into this measuring spoon. There's 1, 3, and 4. I think I might have gotten a 5th drop in there, but that's okay. No worries. 1 extra drop is going to be fine. And then I've got 1 drop of Roman chamomile. And that's a nice combination. The Roman chamomile is really soothing, as you might imagine, being that it's chamomile. Fantastic for sleep, gorgeous for your skin, and so is the frankincense, by the way. So I'm just going to do 1 drop of the Roman chamomile right into the Castile soap. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to pick up the spoon and I'm just going to mix it a tiny bit. That's all it really takes. And I'm going to pour it right into the bath salt. So easy. And then I have a stirring rod, a glass stirring rod, and I'm just going to mix the soap right in to the bath salts. So easy. So you can mix it in for a little bit until it's all nice and moist, and then you've got your beautiful bath salt. There you go. These also just make fabulous presents. People love bath salts who enjoy taking baths, but if by chance you don't have a bathtub, you don't take baths, totally fine. You can do this in a foot bath. You just put it into a little bowl for your feet with nice warm water, and you've got a great foot soak. Now, if you're interested in learning more about frankincense, I wanted to mention that because I created a class at Aromahead. It's called the Frankincense Spotlight. Frankincense has so many incredible properties. A few of them I mentioned today: nice for the skin, great for sleep, opening your breath, but there's so much more. You'll love this class if you love learning about frankincense. In the class, you learn how to make stick incense, you learn how to make diffuser blends, I teach you how to make an effective natural deodorant, and a blend to reduce neck pain, and also I teach you about frankincense hydrosol. So that's really fun. So if you're interested, I'm going to put the link in the description below and you can check it out. All right, have a great day, and I really hope you sleep wonderful tonight. Take care. Bye for now.